guys, I wanted to talk to y'all about a secret I found out in Dragon first, on the very first movie. Right here, when Hiccup is about to fight the flightmare, Toothless flies in out of nowhere, but the real question is, how did Toothless get from the other island to this island, or half the island? But he came from the sky. Just watch. You see? Right there. He freaking flew in here. But you don't know his tail, he can't fly. So, what's the real question? Right. You see? Boom, there's Toothless. Right there. Thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and please turn on notification bells. And bye.